Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Nissan Pathfinder. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a jack. Always ensure your vehicle is securely supported on a level surface before beginning any work. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's locate the starter motor. It's usually found on the passenger side, mounted to the engine block near the transmission. You might need to remove a few components, like an air intake tube or a heat shield, to gain clear access. Once visible, carefully disconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire from the old starter. Take your time to ensure all connections are properly identified. With the old starter removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new starter and secure it with its mounting bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect the electrical wires, ensuring the main power cable and the solenoid wire are attached correctly and snugly. A loose connection can cause issues, so double-check everything for tightness and security before proceeding. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before starting the engine, do a quick visual inspection to ensure all tools are clear and nothing is left behind. Then, turn the key and listen for the new starter to engage and crank the engine. It should sound strong and consistent. If everything works well, you've successfully replaced your starter. For other great deals and the link to those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.